Hi everyone, Saki here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to talk about some of the items that I've had like on my wish list and some of the items that I've really wanted to buy, but I let these items get away from me and it's been haunting me ever since it happened. So before we get started with the video, I'd like to introduce you guys to ShopTagger, which is the sponsor of this video. I feel like this happens to me a lot where I let these handbags get away from me, and partly it's because of my inability to make really quick decisions when it comes to shopping, but also sometimes it happens because like I'm waiting for the item to go on sale and I don't want to pay full price for it, but then at the moment that it goes on sale I'm too late. Does this ever happen to you guys? Now if you are like me and that has happened to you a lot, ShopTagger is such a great tool to combat this from happening. If you guys have never heard of ShopTagger before, they are an app and a Chrome extension that helps you save money whenever you're online shopping. I personally love to use ShopTagger because there are so many things that like I love and want to buy online, but I just know that they're going to go on sale, and they always go on sale like right after I've bought them full price, and I hate when that happens to me. I've been getting really excited for spring fashion, so I was literally online shopping the other day, saving things to my ShopTagger, and I saved $15 on a spring dress that I'm really excited for that I got from ASOS. I will show you guys that in another haul video coming up. I'm going to be talking about this in a second, but there was a time when I was waiting for a Kate Spade bag to go on sale, and I was like waiting and waiting, but like for some reason, like the day that I went on sale, I forgot to check, and by the time I got there, everything was already sold out. And I just wish that I had ShopTagger back then so that I could be notified right away when the item did go on sale. So before we get onto the video, I would like to show you how ShopTagger actually works. So all you have to do to download ShopTagger is go on Chrome and download the ShopTagger extension from ShopTagger's website. I will leave a link to it down below, or you can install the app on your phone as well. After you've installed the ShopTagger extension, you can immediately go to your favorite online store and start saving items. So for example, here on Zara, there are a couple of pieces that I have been looking forward to buying. One of them is these pink shorts. So all I have to do to save these to my ShopTagger wish list is hit the little ShopTagger icon on the side. I select which size that I want to save. I also make sure that ShopTagger will notify me whenever the item changes price, and then I'm going to save it to my clothing wish list. And it's literally as easy as that. You can get notifications via email or push notifications when the item that you've saved has either gone on sale, has a relevant coupon, or comes back in stock. This is my current wish list for all the clothing items that I'm looking for and all of the handbags that I'm keeping an eye on. Another cool thing about ShopTagger is that they also do apply coupon codes for you when you are shopping. If you have the Chrome extension, anytime you're shopping and you're at checkout, something will pop up automatically if ShopTagger can find a coupon code for you. ShopTagger also just launched a new cashback feature. You can earn cash via PayPal when you shop at select retail partners. So please go check out ShopTagger. I will leave a link to them down below. And thank you again to them for sponsoring this video. Alright, so to start off, I am going to be talking about that Kate Spade bag that I mentioned earlier in the video because this is just so funny and so ridiculous. So Kate Spade a couple of years ago released this pale flowers bag. I know what it looks like and I know that it's such a novelty item, but I was like in love with this bag, and for some reason I literally kept going back and forth on it, like whether to buy it or not. And I believe at the time this bag was like $350, something like that, but you know, for what it was, I just like didn't feel comfortable spending that amount of money, especially for something so novelty that I didn't really know if I was going to get any use out of anyway. So like I said, I tried to wait for it to go on sale, but it ended up going on sale and I missed out on it, which I was so mad about. And it literally made me so mad that I tried to, you know, go on eBay and Poshmark and find it somewhere else, but they were literally selling it for more than retail price. So I was just like, ugh. So not only was I not able to get it, you know, retail price or on sale, like if I wanted it, I had to pay over retail price. So after that, I was just kind of like mad at myself and kicking myself. I should have just bought it, you know, full price or whatever. But yeah, that just made me really mad. And I know it's silly, and I know this bag is like really, you know, just a novelty item, but I was so upset over this bag that like it literally haunted me for like years afterwards, and I still think about it to this day. All right, moving on to a couple of luxury bags that I am going to be talking about today. The first one is the Chanel Coco Handle Chevron in the like pinky beige color that just got released in 2020. I think this was like one of the spring collections. I can't remember if it was like 20p. It was the same collection that my Coco Handle mini actually came from, but I was deciding between these two bags so hard. Like, I really love the pinky beige, but at the same time I do love more of like a bright pink, and I had decided to go with the, you know, bright pink Coco Handle. And at this point in time I hadn't had really any experience with the Coco Handle minis, so I didn't realize like how like in love I would be with the Coco Handle minis. But by the time I realized it, the other, you know, Chevron Coco Handle mini had already gone out of stock, and it was literally impossible to get because it was such a rare color. And then like personal shoppers on Instagram were still selling it, but they were selling it for like literally almost double the price of what it cost. Well, no, I'm exaggerating. It was like thousands of dollars more than what it cost in boutique though, and this was also before the price increases, I believe. So like the Coco Handle mini price was really good, and I'm so upset that I missed out on it. I just like don't like buying two handbags at once, and like I said, at that time I didn't realize how much I would love the Coco Handle mini, so that is why, you know, I didn't buy both. Both really seemed excessive at the time anyways, so yeah, I'm really sad I let that one get away. But at the end of the day, I am still glad that I got one Coco Handle mini from that collection, and it is still one that I love. But yeah, it kind of makes me a little bit sad whenever I think about that one. All right, the next bag that I'm going to talk about is also Chanel, and it's from one of the more recent collections, and it's going to be the small and medium plastic flap in the 21C rose clear color. So it took me like a while to decide if I liked this rose clear color or not. It's a really light beige, and you know, in some pictures it looked more white, in some pictures it looked more like lilac-y, but then in some pictures it was like the perfect shade of like blush baby pink. So when I was first starting to see this color come out in like vanity cases and other like small SLGs, I was just like, I don't know if I like it. And I literally couldn't decide up until like I saw these small and medium flaps, and I could have messaged my essay like right away when I, you know, heard about these small and classic medium flaps, but instead I still waited a little bit longer to decide whether I liked the color or not. And then all of a sudden one day I was just like, oh my god, I love this color. And by the time I texted my essay about it, she was like, there's a really long wait list for these bags. Like, so many people want the classic medium flaps in this color, so I'm gonna put you on the wait list, but it seems really unlikely. So I have literally been on the wait list since, I don't know, whenever it came out. I feel like it's been months now. Like, has it been months? The concept of time is just so bizarre to me now. But I have been waiting for a really long time, and I really don't think that I'm going to be getting it. I mean, 21S is already coming out, so I feel like, you know, the chances are just slim to none that the boutiques will, you know, get this in stock again. But I'm still hoping, because my name is still on the wish list. But I feel like this is definitely going to be one of the bags that I let get away just because of my indecisiveness. Like, I should have just put my name on the list to begin with and decided later. I don't know why I didn't do that. Chanel doesn't really make these like really light baby pinks very often, especially in caviar. Like, I really should have driven that point home when I was thinking about it, but for some reason like that didn't connect to me. I do have a couple of blush pink pieces, like my Chanel rectangular mini and like my Chanel boy bag, and I do really enjoy that color, but they're both in lambskin, so the fact that this was in caviar really should have pushed me to just put my name on the list. But unfortunately I just decided too late, and I don't know if I'm gonna get that bag. So I definitely think that this is going to be one of the bags that I look back on and I'm like, I shouldn't have let it get away like that. All right, and this is the last Chanel item that I'm going to be talking about, but it's actually a bag that I was looking at secondhand, not like in store, and that is going to be this square mini. So if you guys know me and you watch my channel, you'll know that the square mini has literally been on my wish list in every single year, in every single wish list that I've done since I've made this channel. For some reason, I just cannot seem to get my hands on this bag or like find one that I really love. However, there is one specific one that I have been looking for a really long time, and it was being sold on eBay for a really good price too. Like, it was being sold, I think, either at retail or under retail, and I feel like with the mini bags, since they are so popular, they're always being sold, you know, over retail price. So if you can find anything, you know, at retail price or slightly lower, that's probably like the best deal that you're ever gonna get. And this bag was perfect. I don't even think that it had any flaws or anything, and it was from, gosh, I want to say, no, I can't even say, I don't remember the year that it came out, but it was like this really beautiful, like rose pink kind of color. I don't think that I have anything in my collection like this, but for some reason this color really did stand out to me and I fell in love with it. And the funny thing is that I knew this when I saw the bag, and I knew that it was like the perfect square mini for me, but for some reason I didn't buy it. I think it was like a financial thing, like maybe I already had just bought a bag recently and I didn't have enough money to buy it or something. I don't know, or I just talked myself out of it saying that like, oh, it'll pop up again. Didn't pop up again after that. And it's funny too because I think I saw it twice. I think I saw it like on eBay and Fashion File like within that same like year or a couple of months. So that's why I was like convincing myself that it'll pop up again. But now I know if I see it on the secondhand market next time to just go for it and think about the consequences later, which is really not a great way to live life, but I've been wanting this Chanel mini for so long. Alright, so that was the end of my list. I hope that you guys found this, I don't know, entertaining at the very least. Basically, the point of the story is it's not that like, you know, I have too many regrets when it comes to luxury, but I really do wish sometimes that I could make quicker decisions about buying stuff. Sometimes it takes me like days and days and days, weeks and weeks and weeks before I decide if I even like something. So hopefully these things won't happen to me in the future and I can make better, quicker decisions. Before I let you guys go, I did want to remind you of March's giveaway. I am going to be giving away this beautiful Twilly from Ro and Amanda, my two friends on Instagram. They actually finally sent me the exact Twilly that they are going to be giving away for you guys so I can show you the print and everything up close. So beautiful. Look at this design, you guys. Love, 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 love their designs. The back also has a different design so that you can, you know, choose which one you want to put on your handbag. I just think it's so cute. I just love their like level of creativity. I wish I had this sort of skill, guys. So yes, I am going to be giving away this Twilly to someone this month. All you have to do to enter is leave this emoji in the comment section down below. Please also leave your Instagram username if it is different from your YouTube username so that I can find you if you do win. You also do have to be subscribed to me here on YouTube and following the three of us, me, Ro, and Amanda on Instagram. I will leave all of the links to their Instagrams down in the description box below, along with all of the giveaway rules as well. Please also don't forget to check out Shop Tagger. I will leave a link to them below as well. Seriously, you guys, download Shop Tagger now and save some money the next time you online shop. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you're staying safe and healthy out there, and I will see you next time. Bye!
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game.